Oh, June 6th, day 66. I am crossing the Potomac River, leaving Harpers, Ferry, West Virginia. And it's going to be a great day, huh? Let's see. I got about 5 days of food in my pack. I'm aiming for Carlisle, Pennsylvania. It's about 20 miles a day. Supposed to have good weather for the next several days. This river has gone down considerably since I saw it first 2 days ago. Floods, so much rain. Crazy flooding in Maryland and around here and out on the trail. So I'm sure I'm going to be walking in a lot of mud still. But I guess I'm headed up that mountain over there. And I guess I'm probably in Maryland about now. I don't know exactly where the state line is, but I think it's somewhere around the river here. And I took a 0 in Harpers Ferry yesterday, stayed at the hotel and rested, resupplied, visited the Appalachian Trail Conservancy and did my photo and let's see, went out and bought some new shoes over in Georgetown and picked up my box of supplies that I'd mailed to the post office, or Bev had mailed to the post office for me. And so, new shoes, full pack, a little bit rested up, and ready to push on. Alright, please watch your step. Alright, I am watching my step. I see a sign ahead for Maryland Trail. Yeah, the river's still up. Look at that. It's up still pretty running, pretty heavy. Maryland Heights Trail. It says. Yeah, a lot of interesting Civil War artifacts. It's been a nice visit. Compton Gap, I don't know. Cool, windy day today. Whew. Actually feels good to stand in the sun. This is my first break. I'm 9.5 miles in. This is usually what I do. I find a little spot in the gap where there's a rock to sit, dry out my stuff. This morning I packed out from the continental breakfast yogurts and granola and oatmeal and a banana. Stuff you wouldn't normally put in a pack. That was a nice break. Got me a little sunny spot here for a minute. Continuing on. the original Washington Monument